That's fun. Dude, it's fun though. I feel like I'm spinning the whole time. You know, I need to tighten it up a little bit.
You looked a lot looser than Mike did.
Well, I was on the pipe though a little bit. Don't you think?
I was trying to get you to move up a little. It looked so much smoother up one lane.
I feel like I'm literally going in backwards in the middle of the corner.
Oh, if you ran it right, you look at the speed light the whole time.
Yeah. No, it's a blast. I just need to tighten something up.
Looks bad. It looked rough as fuck,
You
though.
look pretty good. It's fun. It's really fun.
It sounded like it looked like you're holding on the gas pretty good too. How'd you like it?
That motor ripped.
Dude, now you won't fire up?
No, it won't start. No.
smoking, by the way. Hey, you alright?
Break that shit off.
Hey, you good?
He's done.
God damn it.
Alright, you're. Alright, hold on. You out of breath? Yeah? You fine though? Hold on, let me catch your breath for a minute.
He's done?
You done?
Is the car okay? What's happening?
No, you're not finishing, Nate.
Huh?
Your front end's fucked up.
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
You alright?
I know, I gotta get it on the